What is the difference between the Pirc defense and the King's Indian defense, or the Pirc defense? I don't know how to say the word. Just tell me in the comments. But anyway, let's go over the Pirc defense right quick. E4, D6, D4, knight F6. All right, so knight C3. All right, G6, bishop E3, bishop G7, queen D2. So that's the Pirc defense. Let me just show you quickly what the King's Indian defense look like. And it all depends on what white is playing. D4, knight F6, C4, D6, knight C3, G6, E4, bishop, G7, bishop E2, and that's the King's Indian defense. So the only difference is basically the C4 pawn.